December 16th, 2021, Siargao Island transformed from everyone's island paradise getaway to an absolute nightmare. A Category 5 super typhoon decimated our island, left thousands of people homeless, incapacitated, and unable to help themselves and the community around them. And as the first few days passed after the horrific typhoon's landfall, many people, a part of this community in Siargao, began piecing together the next steps of how we can move forward and how we can help.
Just got denied entrance to the supermarket because we don't have a quarantine pass. Day 13, stuck in isolation. It's getting worse in Philippines, no flights. And if there is, people are getting stuck in different countries. A month now in lockdown. Happy birthday to you.
Walking with this heat, with approximately like 40 kilos of us. We are moving to Oak Ridge residence in AFAR.
So do you have any IDs or what?
We are the...
Oh, so cute.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you, mom.
Try and get our documents sorted and to try and travel to Siargao to become medical volunteers. We have to go to the Bureau of Quarantine and we are now getting escorted by the barangay. Now it's the second police station we've come to. We're trying to get the rest of our travel passes. Been in Cebu City now for nearly 5 months. Rapid antibody test. Finally managed to get the barangay to give us a lift. Going to the pier and hopefully this will be the final mission to get our documents ready. It's the final day now to find out whether we will be going on that sea vessel tonight at 7 p.m. We've made it to the ferry port. We've been to a lot. Now Francis is getting tickets for us. Our escort, please get us on this ferry now. We're on the boat to Siargao at the moment. We've been trying to get out of the city. Moment of truth, guys. So we're basically kind of detained on the boat now until 8 a.m. We've been here, we've been waiting since 4. Now we are in a quarantine centre. An elementary school that's been converted into a quarantine facility and we have to stay for 2 weeks. We have to have another 2 tests. That is from an aunt. Bad infection in the ear, so we're trying everything we can.
You're swollen on your face, mate.
We find out whether we're leaving or not today. There's our ride. Off we go for the test. Oh, I can't believe we're leaving.
X-ray sanan sa pamasahe ni Ju. Ho?
Just a few things to sort out, and yeah, tomorrow is the day.
first day of the aftercare for Angie.
Bili man ni ko kwan.
Yung PPE.
Ano ito, dalawa butang si Dok ay no?